What's the meaning of county? County. County.
County. County. A county is a geographical and administrative area within a larger region or state. It is typically defined by its own government, which has the power to make local laws and regulations, levy taxes, and provide public services such as law enforcement, sanitation, and education. Counties are often divided into smaller municipalities, such as cities and towns, and may have a variety of local officials, including a sheriff, county commissioners, and a county administrator or manager. In some countries, such as the United States, counties are an important level of government between the state and individual towns or cities.